Hello viewers, this is Bestie News. I am going to open a box from Michael's. Oh, see, it's wet. They put it outside and it's okay this time. But I very thankful to this services, UPS or these people are bringing very good at this pandemic time. And see what I bought is from Michael. And this is package ID, and what I got is oversizing. No, oh, my machine was talking. So it says I bought 7-pack. These guys see 7-pack 12 by 12 super value canvas by artist loft, and 6-pack of 10 by 20. You know how much I bought? Some were only $7.99. My package, I'm feeling so yucky, guys. Ugh. But let's see. Michael sent me some stuff I bought. Michael didn't send me free. I paid money. See, I got this piece. Oh, I love this canvas. I love to paint, so I bought this one. See, I show you near. It says 7-piece artist loft. These are only $7.99 for 7-piece. Or I'm wrong or I'm right. I will tell you price later. And this, see, I bought this one loft. This one, like this size is my favorite. Look at me. Look at this 6-pack I bought for my painting. This is a great size. And this is called 10 in by 20 inch to 25.4, 6 pieces. It's very good one. These are also around $10. And now, ouch, I will put my first box over there, and then I'm going to open. Are you ready for my other box? This one. See. Okay, now, oh goodness, there are also goodies inside. Should I show you or no? Oh, okay. Okay. I love to show you guys what I got in my channel. So stay tuned. This I'm not happy. Snow was outside and they put everything on the snow. They should call me or anyway. See, it's very hard. Sorry. I should open it earlier. What do you think inside? It's also from Marker. You saying colors? No. No colors. I have plenty of colors I bought last pandemic time. Last December, or I'm just sitting in home and bought. This is my last. Ouch, it's too heavy. No one is helping. My people. Oh, I hurt myself. Okay. See what I got here. Is a red photo box, simply tidy. Oh, see, this was only for $2, guys. Usually it's $11. Look, beautiful box. Comment section if you like this box. And then I got 3-pack 12 by unfinished wood art panel and 9 by 12, sorry, unfinished wood. So I did shopping because I love to paint. So this is my wood art panel, and then okay, and this one, a phone is coming, so I will make video later for you guys. See. Thank you, viewers, for watching Bestie News. Thank you. Stay tuned. You can take phone. Bye-bye, viewers. Thank you for watching Bestie News.